Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set calorie goals on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started by selecting our theme. Right here in the bottom right corner you have the theme section where you can filter out the theme that best suits you and go and select it to start its workouts. Once you have done that, we can go to the workout page right here and get started with taking a look at the workouts that await us for the day. And so let's go and take a look at how to set calorie goals. So to set calorie goals, we're going to navigate to the nutrition settings. Right here in the bottom right corner you have the nutrition tab. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started with setting up our tracking, and this is included with your membership. So you cannot use the ladder for free, you need to have a premium membership or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, but you need to have it to use the workouts, the nutrition tab and so on. So once you've gotten it, you're going to be able to use nutrition right here to log in with your voice, photos, barcodes, whatever you want, water, step, macros. It's all going to be doable right here and you can set your calorie goals. So that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.